Ready to retire in paradise without breaking the bank? Here's exactly how to retire in Portugal in 2025, so watch till the end to know how and where to apply. To begin the process, retirees typically consider two main visa options, the D7 visa and the Golden visa. The D7 visa is designed for those who have a stable passive income such as pensions, rental income, or investment earnings. To qualify for the D7 visa, you need to demonstrate a monthly income of approximately 1,000 to 1,200 euros, which translates to about 1,100 to 1,300 US dollars. This visa grants you the right to reside in Portugal and opens the path to permanent residency or citizenship after 5 years. On the other hand, the Golden visa requires a significant financial investment, often involving property purchases starting at 500,000 euros or creating jobs in Portugal. While the Golden visa is attractive for wealthy retirees seeking a quicker path to residency, the D7 visa tends to be the more practical and affordable choice for most budget-conscious retirees. Understanding the cost of living is essential before making the move. In Portugal, you can comfortably live on a monthly budget ranging from 1,200 to 1,500 euros, roughly $1,300 to $1,650. Rent is typically the largest expense, with mid-sized cities like Porto or charming coastal towns in the Algarve offering apartments for about 600 euros per month. If you prefer smaller towns, your rent could be even lower. Groceries and dining out generally cost around 250 euros monthly, while utilities and internet services usually add up to about 100 euros. Healthcare expenses can be quite reasonable, especially if you use the public healthcare system supplemented with private insurance, which might cost around 150 euros per month. Transportation and miscellaneous expenses round out the budget at about 100 to 150 euros. Of course, these costs vary depending on where you choose to live and your lifestyle preferences. Towns like Coimbra, Braga, or Tavira are known for being more affordable while still offering great amenities and a welcoming community. Healthcare in Portugal is another big plus for retirees. The country's healthcare system is ranked among the best in Europe, and retirees who hold a D7 visa can access public healthcare services after registering with a local health center. The public system is affordable and reliable, but many expats opt for private health insurance to enjoy faster access and additional coverage, which usually costs between 30 and 60 euros per month. Portugal also offers a peaceful and safe living environment with excellent public transportation options and plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. The mild Mediterranean climate means that winters are gentle and comfortable, making Portugal ideal for retirees who want to avoid harsh weather conditions. If you are ready to retire in Portugal, the first step is to evaluate your monthly income and savings to ensure they meet the D7 visa requirements. You will need to prepare essential documents such as proof of income, health insurance, criminal background checks, and proof of accommodation in Portugal. The visa application is submitted at your nearest Portuguese consulate. Once the visa is approved, you can move to Portugal and begin the residency registration process at your local city hall and health center. Building a social network is important too, so consider joining expat groups and local clubs to make your transition smoother and more enjoyable. It's highly recommended to visit Portugal for an extended stay before making the permanent move. This allows you to explore different regions and find the area that best fits your lifestyle and budget. Portugal stands out as one of the top retirement destinations in the world, and it's easy to see why. The country offers a warm and welcoming climate, a high quality of life, and excellent healthcare services. Compared to other Western European nations, Portugal's cost of living remains relatively affordable, making it a great choice for retirees on a budget. Safety and political stability are additional reasons why many retirees feel secure settling here. Another advantage is that English is widely spoken, especially in popular expat areas like Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve, which makes adjusting easier for newcomers. Retiring in Portugal in 2025 is no longer just a dream. It's a realistic and attainable lifestyle choice for many. If you're excited about making the move or want to learn more, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help you plan the perfect retirement in Portugal.